What if an asteroid was on a collision course with Earth? A very real and scary possibility. NASA scientists conducted an exercise based on a hypothetical asteroid, with the timeline, response, and the kind of devastation that will follow the impact. Stay tuned as we walk you through how the event will play out. NASA's Near-Earth Object Observation Program, that continuously monitors the skies for any threat, discovers the hypothetical asteroid, named 2023 PDC. It is designated a potentially hazardous asteroid, or PHA. At this point, it's just an asteroid that intersects Earth's orbit. Its distance from Earth is around 4.6 million miles, or 7.4 million kilometers, and the magnitude is 22. This is just a little brighter than the faintest stars visible to the Hubble Space Telescope. The probability of impact is 1 in 10,000. The object is under constant monitoring by asteroid tracking facilities on Earth. As the path of the asteroid around the Sun is calculated better, the threat is elevated to Epoch 1. The chances of impact are now 1%, making the threat serious. The potential date of possible impact is calculated 13 years from now, as October 26, 2036. Remember, a very early detection was possible only due to the massive size of the asteroid. The hypothetical asteroid, 2023 PDC, is 13 years away. Its size is calculated roughly between 720 to 2,200 feet, or 220 to 660 meters. But it could be anywhere up to 1.3 miles, or 2 kilometers wide. The most important factor in preparing a response will be to determine the exact size of the asteroid. This part is tricky, as the size of the asteroid is determined by its brightness. However, the issue lies in the fact that an asteroid's reflective properties depend upon the material it's made of, influencing the accuracy of this method. As the asteroid is already close to the Sun, infrared astronomy cannot be used to measure its size. This means that both Hubble Space Telescope and the James Webb Space Telescope cannot be used. Both these telescopes use infrared radiation to observe faint and distant objects. And it is also too far away to use radars. The best path forward will be to send a reconnaissance spacecraft to 2023 PDC. This will help determine its exact size, mass, and the orbit. The main challenge in front of scientists will be to use suitable deflectors to change its course. Nuclear power might have to be used for bigger asteroids. But if the path of the asteroid cannot be deflected, what could be the impact? If the size of 2023 PDC is on the lower side, at around 1,000 feet or 300 meters, the destruction could be at a continent level. The energy released will be 133,000 times that of the bomb that devastated Hiroshima. It can also cause devastating tsunamis if it hits the ocean. If the asteroid size is doubled to 2,000 feet, or 600 meters, the energy released will be 10 times more, and the devastation will be at a global level. At 3,330 feet or 1 kilometer size, the energy will be equal to 6.6 million Hiroshima nuclear detonations. These impacts will also have lasting global climate effects. A similar type of event wiped out dinosaurs from Earth. Although 2023 PDC is purely hypothetical, we need to prepare now for any such object that might be lurking out there in the darkness, waiting to catch us by surprise.